If you're running low on storage space on your iPhone, do this immediately because your phone is at risk. Trust me, your phone may break just because you are running low on storage space and you are still using it. So to manage your storage space, go into your settings, click General, and tap iPhone storage. Now, at the top of the screen, you see a wonderful chart which displays your storage usage, right? Giving you an indication of the kind of media types or the applications that are taking more storage space on your phone. Now, at the bottom or towards the bottom of the screen, you see displayed in order of size the application that actually consuming more storage on your device. So one application which is notorious for consuming much of your space is the Photos app. Now, if you tap on the Photos application, you can review all your videos, right? Review the videos, and if you tap on the review videos, it would order them in terms of size from the largest video to the smallest video. So if you have large videos on your phone, which of course are contributing to you running low on storage space, you can then go ahead to delete them, or you can then take steps to send them or save them on another device, save them to your files, export them, save them in the cloud. Just do anything to get it off your phone so that you can have some more storage space on your device. Now, this setting would also show you, like I mentioned, other applications which have now, this setting would also show you other applications that are taking much storage space on your device, and then you can go ahead and take steps to clear the storage. So for other applications like WhatsApp, you cannot delete the files or even view the files right from the settings. So for WhatsApp, just for demonstration purposes, go to WhatsApp, enter settings, tap on storage and data, and then tap on manage storage. So just like in the settings for your iPhone storage, when you go to manage storage inside your WhatsApp setting, you'll be able to view all the files inside of your WhatsApp storage, right, which are actually consuming space. So you can rank them in terms of, you can rank them either from the largest to the smallest or from the smallest to the largest, right? So tapping on that would also tapping on this will actually display all the files which are taking up space on your phone, and then you can go ahead to delete them.